Good morning students, this is your computer teacher Nagendra Kumar. In last video I had discussed the Java program based on conditional operator. Now in this video I am once again in chapter 4 values and data type. Today I am going to discuss data types in Java. So data types. What is data type in Java? Data types are means to identify the type of data and associated operation of handling it. Data types in Java, by the help of data types in Java, we can define the type of any data. It not only define the type of data, we also find which type of operation is suitable of that type of data. For example, if data is character type or string type, we cannot use the arithmetic operation on it, plus minus divided. If data is of number type, then we can easily apply the arithmetic operation on it. So data type not only identify the means of data, it also identify which type of operation we can apply on this type of data. Data type specify the different size and values that can be stored in the variable. In Java, the clear concept of data type is required for the programming. Java provides us two types of data type. The first one is called primitive data type and second one is called non-primitive data type. Again, primitive data type is classified in two types, that is numeric and another one is the non-numeric data type. In numeric data type, we have two types of data type. One is integer type and second one the floating data type. And non-numeric, we have the two data type, character and boolean. Now come to the primitive data type. The data type which are independent of any other type, the data type which are independent of any other type are known as primitive data type. Primitive data types are predefined or built-in data types because the system developer of Java are defined those data type. These data type are also called basic data type. For example, int, float, double, etc. For example, if in our program we have written int x, it means x is a variable follows the characteristic of int type. Okay, so primitive data type are the fundamental data types of Java. Java provides four types of primitive data type. The first one is integer data type, second one is the floating data type, third one is the character data type, and fourth one the boolean data type. Now we understand one by one. Integer data type. The data type are used to store the data type which are used to store whole numbers are called integer data type. The whole numbers, that the variable that can store whole numbers, these data types are defined as an integer data type. They are further divided into the four parts. The first one is called byte, the second one is called the sort, third one is the int, and fourth one is the long. The byte data type is the small range data type. Its size is 1 byte. 8 bits mean 1 byte, and its range is only from -128 to plus 127. For example, when we define a variable byte A, so A is a variable of type byte and it can store only the data from the range -128 to 127. Now sort is of 2 bytes and its range is from -32,768 to plus 32,767. Int is the very popular data type in Java. Its size is 4 byte and it can handle a large range of variables. For example, the range of the integer data type is -2 to the power 31 to to the power 31 minus 1. The long data type. It is of 64-bit data type, means 8-byte data type. It is the maximum range of the data type is in integer data type is the long. It can store the data between the range minus 2 to the power 63 to plus 2 to the power 63 minus 1. The integer data type. Now floating data type. The data type that are used to store fractional or decimal number are called floating data type. Means when the variable are stored the number in floating and decimal point, these variables are called floating data type. The variable we can store in a floating data type. Float and double is of two types of floating data types in Java. The float is of 4 byte and double is of 8 byte. And the range of the what is the difference between float data type and double data type? Float data type is called single precision data type and double data type is called double precision data type. What is the difference between single precision data type and double data type? The single precision data type means the number is except up to 6 digit of the decimal number. The variable store up to 6 digits of the decimal number. And for double precision data type, it can store the decimal number up to 15 digits. This is the difference between the float and double. In Java programming, it always accepts double precision data type. By default, the Java store double data type. So in Java programming, always store the floating number using the double data type. Now character data type. The character data type of Java is used to store single character. It is a character type and it stores a single character. For example, here I have written character P. P is a variable of type character which have the capability to store only one character, and this should be in single quotes. P is equal to M in single quotes. So here P is a character data type. The character data type store only 2 bytes. It takes only 2 bytes in memory and its range is between 0 to 65,535 and it can store any alphabets and numbers. Now Boolean data type. The special data type in Java that is called Boolean data type, that is used to represent a single true or false value. A Boolean value can have only two values, true or false. A Boolean data type, for example, Boolean X. X is a type of variable is a type of Boolean data type. Then X can store maybe true or false. Boolean data type is of the size of Boolean data type is of 8 bit, but in Java it only uses 1 bit and its range is only 2, that is true and false. Now non-primitive data type. The data type which constructed from primitive data type are called non-primitive data type or reference data type. Means the data type that is derived from fundamental data types are called non-primitive data type, or sometimes it is called reference data type. These are string, array and classes. String is a group of characters, array is a collection of elements, and class that consists of data member and member function. So student, non-primitive data type we can discuss in the later video. So students, that's all for today. Stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.